AI skills are the new currency, a core capability across every industry. Yet, most people still don't feel confident using it. We wanted to create something different, a program that helps you apply what you learn to your work immediately. We are proud to introduce AI Infinity, a future-ready AI upskilling program designed to lead in the age of intelligence. AI Infinity offers two tracks: a functional track for non-technical professionals, a technical track for technical learners. The program covers everything you need to understand and apply AI today. Concepts like foundations of AI literacy, generative and agentic AI, and responsible AI. What makes the experience truly impactful is how you learn. Learn anytime, anywhere with self-paced content, 40 hours of live interactive sessions with AI experts. You experience 20 plus leading AI tools, 12 industry relevant projects, and 20 skill-based assignments to apply your knowledge. You get 1 year unlimited access to upgraded content, including a certificate of completion from Talent Sprint, a part of Accenture. By the end of the program, you will have a solid foundation in AI, practical exposure to modern AI tools and the techniques, and the confidence to apply AI in real-world contexts. AI is no longer optional. It's your competitive advantage. AI Infinity gives you the confidence, capability, and clarity to stay ahead and lead in the age of intelligence. So, upskill today.